How's it going? You feeling it? Alright, hey ASL 2, this is your Unit 4 vocab. Talking about food and cooking and all of that. So, the first one is plate. So, modified C. 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 C.
See?
C.
I wish. Number 2 is bowl. Not the game, the thing you put the food in.
Well, it kind of sounds like how some people say boil. Bowl.
Boil? I don't even say that, and I know I'm Southern. So it could be bowl or bowl, depending on how big your bowl is. You can stir the pot.
A lot of people do.
Stuff.
Cup, as in the object. Cup. Measurement will be later.
So number 4 is fork, knife, and spoon. So do you do both sides fork or just one side?
I do fork.
Fork and knife.
Knife.
Kniffy and spoon.
Spoon. Napkin. Wipe your face.
Hungry. One time.
Hungry. Hungry hippo. I loved that game when I was a kid.
I did too. I like the live version of it better where you have to ride on a scooter and have to wonder.
We should do that at the pep rally.
That would be fun.
Alright, thirsty. A lot of people don't like that sign. Like, they say it feels weird.
I'm gonna guess if your throat's tall, yes, but you know. Full. Like on Thanksgiving you eat too much.
Satisfied? Just enough?
Where's the fun in that? Number 10, so now we're moving to eating out. So pay.
Pay me? Pay me. Pay me. Tip. Fingerspell.
Make sure you always leave one.
Yes.
Menu. Do you do order?
Can
or
do that.
Food?
Or fingerspell. Waiter, waitress, server. You could do this one, or you do this one, right?
Mm-hmm. Number 14, order.
I do it more from like closer to my mouth.
Yeah, I do it like, I guess right under my chin. Order.
McDonald's!
Disney toys!
So I've seen McDonald's. That's the one you guys
McDonald's.
That just
Here
makes
the
me think
kids
of,
just sign McDonald's.
that just makes me think of the birds I would draw. I was a kid.
Well, if you're like us and not very much an artist. Number 16, Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. Wendy's. I've seen Wendy's. I've seen Wendy's. Have you seen any others?
Just the W.
I've seen, yeah, just W's. Oh my gosh, Starbucks!
I'm not pushing up for Starbucks, but Starbucks.
Burger King. I've seen BK. Yeah, we'll just stick with those.
For Dairy Queen, I have seen DQ.
And
DQ.
Yep. Taco Bell. Sign for taco, and you'll see some people sign Bell. I've seen Taco Bell.
I've seen just Taco Bell TV. Not to be confused with Too Bad.
Or what about tuberculosis?
Just make sure they know you're talking about a restaurant and not any of the other things.
22. IHOP.
IHOP.
There's that one, but there's also this one.
Oh, I like that one more better. IHOP. Hee hee hee.
Where's the one-legged waitress work? IHOP. What's her name? Eileen.
Is she a little salty?
That goes to the next one. Salt. We're tired.
We're very tired, and we both have headaches. So
Yes.
yeah, this is like migraine hangover. Woo! Pepper. It's an F in shape.
Drink.
Of the non-alcoholic version. Drink.
because you should drink water.
Water.
Then the next one,
Soda.
soda.
Pop top.
Coffee.
Coffee.
And then the next one I don't drink.
Sweet tea.
Or just tea.
Or just tea. And this can be like hot tea, sweet tea.
Juice. Juice. Duh.
Fruit. Oh, no. Milk. My bad. Milk. Pasteurized milk.
Some people didn't get that.
I'll have to go look it up later, I guess.
Now, fruit.
Apple.
Ew.
Chicken. Or cinnamon.
Banana.
Banana.
Ba 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 ba
Pomegranate. Grapes.
Grapes. Peach.
Strawberry.
Orange. Orange.
I'd find pineapple.
That or pineapple.
Pineapple. If you don't know, it looks like a fox.
Well, what does it say?
Whatever those noises are that I do not make well. Those.
Cherry. Do you do
I do cherry.
cherry? Yeah. I should go back up.
Wee. Vegetable.
Wait, did I skip?
Veggie table.
Hold on.
Did you skip 41?
Oh, there it is.
Oh, lemon. Lemon.
Coconut.
Put the lime in the coconut. Berry.
Berry. So cherry, berry.
Need like blueberry.
Watermelon. So I've seen watermelon or watermelon.
Tomato. Red.
And I've also seen red.
I've
For
seen
this.
it also just.
Now we go back up. Yay!
Now, vegetable. Vegetable.
Or I've seen this too. But all of you are going to end up doing this because you don't want to do the extra movement. Let us
Uh-huh.
leave.
Lettuce.
Lettuce.
Lettuce. Is that how you differentiate between lettuce and cabbage? Do you do cabbage,
Cabbage,
and lettuce?
lettuce.
Oh. Onion. Yumminess.
Carrot. What's up, Doc?
That was my line.
Too bad.
Corn.
It's corn!
You're corny.
Duh.
Taters.
Potato. Ireland. Potato. Think of like
Potato
checking
famine.
or checking to see if a potato's done, like with a fork.
Pickle. Think sour. Yeah.
It's an avocado. Thanks. Avocado.
Salad. Imagine like you have the fork and tongue.
Fruit salad. Yummy,
Fruit
yummy.
cake. Me? Yes. It's a beefsteak.
Meat, beef, steak, any of those, and then you have
Bacon.
it's bacon, bacon, bacon.
Bacon, 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 bacon.
Chicken or chicken. I tend to do this for like the live animal, and then this for the
Meat.
yummy animal.
Yes. It's chicken fillet like chickens. Eggs. So imagine you're like hitting them on the edge of something and cracking them open. Shrimp. You start on your dominant side and go forward. Popcorn shrimp. Bestie shrimp.
Get the shrimp away. Remember the shirt I have that says, fish, but not the same, but
Turkey. Gobble gobble.
hamburger. Make the patties
I think the cheese.
and bacon.
Hot dog.
Or
sausage. Sausage, definitely this for the links, or hot dog.
mm-hmm.
Don't like hot dogs.
cheese.
Of the eating variety, not this variety.
Yeah.
Butter.
Or as someone would say,
Butter.
bread, slicing it,
Cereal.
I've also seen cereal. French fries. Same sign as 99.
99 French fries
Sure.
with pepper.
All right. Ooh, weird. Hold on. All right. So 68. Okay. Next one. Pizza. Pizza or pizza.
We finish each other's
sandwiches. Sandwich. I need sleep.
Soup. Same sign for spoon, but bring up more of two.
Sketty.
Oh, only if it's got your red sauce. Taco.
Here's your shell. Sushi. So, taco, sushi.
Ketchup.
Ketchup.
Ketchup. Oh, ketchup. Ketchup.
Dessert.
I've also seen just sweet.
Where are we at?
Cookie.
Cookie.
Cookie Monster.
Rar.
Ice cream.
You scream.
Ice cream. We all scream for ice cream. Garbage can. It's my favorite.
It's a type of ice
It
cream.
has 8 different candy bars. You have to figure out what's in it.
Pie. Cutting the pie.
Cake. Seen cake and cake.
Chocolate. And then vanilla.
And basic. Snack.
Chips. I've seen chips and then chips.
Popcorn.
They learned.
Oh, they learned. Crackers like the food.
Also the sign for Passover.
Candy.
Candy.
Dun 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 dun. Gum.
Some of you
That
when
y'all
you're
like to do all the time.
not to gum, but like chewing it like that. Cook.
Oven and bake is a noun verb pair.
Mhm.
Correct. Oven. Bake.
Stove. You've had that one before.
But what if it has 6 eyes? Like some of these new bougie ones do.
Well, then they have money.
Recipe. I've seen cook.
List. I've also seen directions.
I've seen cook directions.
Mm-hmm.
Bowl.
Boil. Why do I feel like we're the two on TikTok that I always send you?
Bowl.
The northern versus southern. Boil versus
Bowl.
Or remember,
Never mind.
it needs to neutral face because otherwise you're mad. So
Gotta blow your top. Measure. Are we doing measure? And I've also seen like measure for a cup.
tablespoon, TBS.
Tablespoon?
Yeah,
Okay.
just a whole
Teaspoon.
table with a bunch of spoons.
Oh, can you play them there?
I like the game.
Oh, I'm not very good at punch teach
I
me.
bite people.
Teaspoon. TSP.
ESP and
Dun, dun, dun. Sorry.
cup. Talking about the measurement. CUP.
Stop it. Stir.
Several ways.
You may have stir. You might have stir.
Or like I said earlier, you might be like Hannah Montana and stirring. And then pour, not like pour, but like pouring something. So it depends on what it is you're pouring. Is it like a measurement, like a cup? Is it
Brownie batter into a pan.
Yep, like a bowl. Just depends on what you're pouring. All right. Let's do the cooking terms.
So we need to do degree.
Oh, oops. How did that space like that?
Degree.
Degree or also
Degree.
degree.
Rent. What? Anyway.
Mash. Like not the monster mash, but do you do mash?
I do mash.
Mash.
or depending on like if I'm using my hands or if I'm using like a potato masher.
Okay. Chop. Sprinkle. A lot of you will love this one.
Mix.
Spread.
Roll.
Great. I've seen great.
And great.
Great. I've
And
seen
I've
it
seen
both,
great.
depending on like how you're holding it.
Yeah, and I've also seen great for the ones you like Olive Garden. Would you want cheese on that?
Yes. Keep going.
There's never enough cheese.
Flip. Or flip.
How are you doing slice? Slice?
And then, oh, too far. And then I've seen, so what'd you do for slice? You did this one?
Slice.
And then I've seen dice. I've also seen it on,
Yeah. Like,
okay. I think that might be all of the cooking terms. It is. So make sure you're practicing. You need to know these words. You're going to use them in your cooking video. But keep in mind, a lot of foods are also finger spelled. So practice. Let me know if you have any questions.
okay, bye!